Requested by you. This is for you, okay? Just pray to Almighty God Jehovah for guidance and peace of mind. Thank you. For you.
Pwede ba ako na lang muli ang nalalagi mong nasasali? Baka sakaling magbagong takbo ng isip mo, kaya tinatanong ko na baka